Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the largest development on the North Coast. This is the Paradisiac Beach Club. Massive development out in Richmond on the North Coast. Richmond is between St. Anne's Bay and Runaway Bay. Prime real estate. The hottest real estate market in Jamaica is on the North Coast. And this development is huge. Now, further up the road, there is another massive development that China Hub Engineering Company is doing. The Roaring River development. That's going to have about 800 homes. But 800 units. This development looks like it's going to have more than 800. They haven't disclosed the exact number of units, but what we're looking at straight ahead is the townhouses, but they also have 16 towers with 1 and 2 bedrooms and 12 towers with 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom condos. So in addition to the units you're seeing look at the right. Those are some of the towers. So I think this is the largest development on the way on the North Coast. Now, guys, what do you think of the developments? Leave your comments in the section below. And if anybody knows what the sales are like, let us know. You can leave a comment in the section below. But based on its location, I'm almost sure they will be sold out, if not sold out already. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Paracidiac Beach Club, also referred to as Paracidiac Village Beach Club, is an upscale gated residential development nestled along Jamaica's iconic north coast in Richmond, St. Anne, near Landover and just minutes from Ocho Rios. Developed by Manukai Development Company Limited, the community is crafted to blend refined modern design with resort-style amenities, creating an idyllic setting for families, retirees, professionals, and investors. Paracidiac offers an array of housing options under several distinctive product lines. The Safari, a 3-story condominium building with 16 units featuring 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom units. The Emerald, another 3-story condo comprising 12 units with 2 bedroom units and 3 bedroom units. Other offerings include the Onyx, duplex townhouses, the Ruby single-story bungalows, and exclusive diamond luxury villas. Paracidiac Beach Club is a thoughtfully curated development comprising a minimum of 16 Sapphire condo units, 12 Emerald condo units, numerous Onyx townhouses, Ruby bungalows, and diamond villas. Its diverse housing condos, townhouses, bungalows, and villas are skillfully positioned to cater to a range of lifestyles and investment objectives. Lot sizes typically range from $350,000 US to $655,000 US. Paracidiac Beach Club exemplifies luxury coastal living in Jamaica. With its secure gated setting, wide spectrum of housing options, robust amenities, and proximity to major tourist hubs and airport, it appeals to homeowners and investors alike. Whether you're seeking a seaside retreat, a modern rental asset, or a merge of resort living with residential comfort, Paracidiac presents a compelling opportunity in the St. Anne real estate landscape. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Now, this development speaks volumes about investment potential on the North Coast. Safe to say this development costs billions of dollars to build. They didn't disclose the investment amount either, but just looking at the scale of it, it is billions. So this speaks volumes to the confidence that developers have redevelopments on the North Coast. And as I said earlier, the North Coast is the hottest real estate market in Jamaica right now. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this development, although they look like they're close to being completed. Well, the ones at the front, the ones at the back, you can see are still have a way to go. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.